Have you ever seen millions of people standing in cold water, cold river water at 4 a.m.? Why? Worship of Lord Surya Dev. And worship of Lord Surya Dev? Yes. Anything else? Imagine, imagine you were standing in a cold river water at 4 a.m. There were no loud music, no big idols, nothing else. Just nature and you. And 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 before you, Lord Surya. Good morning, everyone. I am Ashika this side. I am tell you our reason behind Chhath Puja. This is the one of the oldest festival known as Chhath Puja, the festival of faith, discipline, and veneration. Let me tell you its history. Chhath Puja is the oldest festival, which is celebrated first by Pandavas, Draupadi. It is connected from Mahabharata. It is connected from Mahabharata when Pandavas and Draupadi were passing their exile of 12 years. When they were passing their exile of 12 years, Draupadi said that we are having many of different kind of many kind of different difficulties. So they did first time Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja. They worship Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja in Chhat Puja, Lord Sun and Chhati Maya is the big idol because Chhati Maya is connected with nature. When you worship the nature, nature will help you when you are doing something. Nature will help you in your path. Like when you are walking in something, nature will always feel, and you are standing in water. Nature will stop. Nature will stop, calm, and like water. When you stand in water at 4 a.m., water is not doing something like streaming happening in the water. So we have to learn something from water, like discipline and purity. Water is pure, and we have to learn something like purity. Next story is all about Ramayana. When Lord Rama and Ma Sita goes for 12 years of exile, after coming at their exile, Ma Sita doing Chhat Puja for a long age of her husband. Her husband, she applies sindoor from nose to last head. It is the last head. Her vermilion color is orange. It is the sign of being disciplined and mannerable. There are many of stories, so we have to learn something from Chhat Puja, like manners, discipline, purity, and everything. On Chhat Puja, there are four main days. Like day, first day is Nahai Khai, Kharna, Sandhya and Usharga. On Nahai Khai day, who people are doing Chhat Puja, they have to take bath of holy river. And not only for doing Chhat Puja, people who are doing Chhat Puja, everyone have to take bath of holy river. So you are feeling very pure and connected with nature. On next day, Kharna. Kharna is the special day because that day, people who are doing Chhat Puja, they have to fast for 36 hours. After 36 hours, they cook a food like kheer and roti. It is the offering food after doing prayers. After doing pray, they offer and distribute everyone this food. Kheer is made up of rice and milk. Nothing. They don't put in water and everything. It is pure and on next day, Sandhya Arga. Sandhya Arga people who are doing Chhat Puja, they do arg for Sunny Dev, for Surya Dev, for Surya Dev, for Surya. They do arg for Surya Dev, and in evening and on next day Usharga. Usharga is the morning time on morning time people do in to Suryadev in morning and at 4 a.m. This is the well disciplined time for everyone who want to take something, who want to grow up, and after worship they cook food they cook food like you see there. Uh, Kekua is a special food, a special offering food, which is made by wheat flour, good and ghee. Uh, it is very delicious. I also have tasted it, and you also have to taste this. Chhat Puja tell us something. Chhat Puja tell us something like we have to connect with nature. We have to learn something from that. We have to worship like not from big idols like a statue or everything else. We have to just connect with nature like pure discipline and with water. Chhat Puja is a nature's god, which like we have to call them in Hindi Prakrti Devi. Water, air, sunlight, they help us to grow. They help us to tell everything in discipline, manners. In my opinion, Chhat Puja is the oldest festival which tell us everything like you have to do everything in manners, discipline, with purity, and don't do everyone's laws.